Maganda ka, baka malagyan yung cellphone mo. Kalinaw, no? Tignan mo yung tubig. Tignan mo, baka may salmon. Ayun, may salmon ka. Ayun, salmon.
Nasaan?
Ayun,
Nasaan?
ayun. Mamilok salmon. Ayun, salmon, oh. Nakita mo?
Nasaan?
Ayun, oh. Nakita mo yun, oh. Yun, oh. Ayun, sa may malinaw.
Ayun.
Pakit, video mo. Yan. Yan siya. Yan siya, yung malaki. Di ba may salmon? Sabi ko sa'yo, may
Fish.
salmon dyan. Wala naman janitor fish dito. Dadaan, baka mahulog mo yung cellphone ni mama.
Fish.
Nakita mo yung salmon?
The water is so clear. Hello.
eh. Diba may
Ma,
salmon?
can
Nasaan
I
yung salmon? Where's
put my feet? Nope, it's still there. Oh, there. There's 2, 4. There's a lot. Oh, ducks.
Naka-video ka?
Yes. It's so cute.
Meron ka pagkain dyan?
Tinapon yung tinapay.
Bakit tinapon nyo?
I didn't know that.
Lumapit sila na.
Hindi ko naman alam na
Nandyan
meron palang
Magpalubog siya ka.
Where is the other duck?
Picturean mo sila ka. Dali, nagpaloko yung isa, oh.
Naghanap siya ng pagkain. Ay siya! Ayun. Dapat may
It's
pagkain.
so cute.
Ay, donut mo, naubos mo na?
Yeah. Sorry, duckies. Wow. Look.
Lumapit sila ng mga sanay siguro sila.
Bap, bap, bap. Bap, bap. Jojoy. Yes, Jojoy.
Duck, no? See that? Yes, you see the duck?
Is the fish still there, Papa?
Yeah.
The water is so clear. And the fish is still there. Sitting.
Ah, yun, look at the big one.
It's so big.
Is that a bird?
Yes?
It's a seagull. No, it's not the cross.
Huh?
Albatross.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, where this? Where? Right there. Mm.
Oh, no, no, no. That's dirty, ano.
Oops.
Oh, I can see a big crab. See him there?
Yeah, hang on.
Oh,